If you're looking for a healthy midweek meal that's simple and packs a bunch of flavour, this red Thai noodle soup is exactly up your street. My word. To start, grab yourself a pan and add your red Thai curry paste with some coconut milk, chicken stock and fish sauce, and we're going to simmer that for 20 minutes. You don't have to use chicken for this. Tofu and fish work perfectly fine. To complete the dish, you want to add your egg noodles, your chicken or your protein, spring onions, coriander, bean sprouts, our salt and pepper chili oil, a wedge of lime, dig in, and there you go. Incredible. My word.